Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to sign up for Webull account. So let's dive ahead into the video. First of all, make sure that you've downloaded the Webull application. Simply go ahead and open your App Store or your Play Store and download the Webull application, and once you do that, launch it open. In the first interface for Webull, tap on the sign up button at the bottom right. You can go ahead and log in using your phone number or using an email address. To sign up with phone number, select your country code from the drop down and enter a valid mobile number and tap next at the bottom. To sign up with email, tap on the sign up with email link and enter a valid email address in the text box. Now, tap on I have read and agreed to terms of service and privacy policy circle at the bottom and tap next. On the next page, you'll need to enter the verification code sent to you via your email or your mobile number. Simply go ahead and enter the code that you received. After entering the verification code, you will need to enter a password. Set up a password for your account by typing it down in the first text box. While creating a password, make sure to use uppercase and lowercase letters along with numbers. Also make sure that your password is at least 8 to 20 characters long. After creating a password that meets these criteria, confirm your password by re-entering it again in the next field. After you are done, tap on sign up and then you will be able to sign up for Webull. You can now use Webull for online investing and trading in financial markets after you have finished your account registration. So that's how it can be done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.